We know every product we make leaves an environmental footprint, and that's something we can change. Geekvape Neutra brings eco-design to life with recycled materials, simplified components, and renewable energy. Its thoughtful design allows both the battery and device to be easily detached for efficient recovery. Built on the Q platform, it is compatible with all Q pods and supports modular expansion for effortless customization. Even the packaging speaks the same language. Made from 100% recycled paper, no glue, no ink, leaving almost zero waste. And when one cycle ends, a new one begins. Each part can be easily taken apart, recovered, and reborn. Oh, and by the way, Geekvape Neutra also got certified by the ISO Carbon Neutral Standard. Geekvape. Geek knows better.